umpama syurga, peluang emasku jamah, bahagia yang ku jadi awal dulu. Aku insan yang terdapat, yang tinggal melagi cinta. Terang dan terlindung di mana tempat aku singgah, didampingkan ku rembuh. Isyarat jiwa berhenti, berdarah ku hadapi hidup, mengenal arti cinta, mengenal cinta dulu. Bagi petang ini jam menunjukkan 3.48 media petang, dan kita santai sedikit pada petang ini. It's a very rainy Saturday, hari Sabtu. Hujan-hujan, redup-redup, santai-santai sedikit, okey. Apa yang penting anda kena satu hobi yang boleh membuatkan anda gembira. Turning up your hobby untuk menjana pendapatan dan kemudian menabung. Kenapa menabung? Sebab menabung adalah satu tabiat karakter kita yang we put aside untuk kehidupan. Alright? Dalam hidup dalam dunia ni, orang kata duit tak boleh mati, tapi tak ada duit rasa macam nak mati. So sebelum rasa macam nak mati tu, you simpan duit untuk backup. Alright, untuk backup duit you. You tak kira lah you kerja apa pun, tapi kalau duit you tak ada, duit you tak mampu nak backup kan, funny, kelakar. Sebab karakter untuk menabung tu adalah satu habit yang kena pupuk, kena educate. Mungkin orang tak educate kita, tapi I try my best level untuk bantu you all untuk educate, menabung. Put aside your money dekat bank, remember dengan bank. You jangan main bantai-bantai bukan. So must be the bank. I nak nyanyikan sebuah lagu What a Wonderful World just for you. For a better world. I see trees are green, red roses too. I see them bloom, me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies are blue, clouds are white, the brightness of day, dark say goodnight, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. I also want the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Oh, they will say, and I love you. I babies cry, I watch them grow. I like much more, and I never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah. Okay, there's the one thing that I want to share with you, my friends, my colleague over there, that it's very simple. The life is very simple. Okay, can you? Sorry. Life is very simple. You must feel thanks to Allah that create your life. It's very simple. The tips number one, because Allah give us everything, every single thing. Allah create us. They know us. He knows us. What we need to do. Okay, so the tip is very simple. You must grateful, thankful to Allah. That's the tips number one. So everything you do, all is well, alright? The end of the world, no more. Why does the sun go shining? Why does the sea rush to shore? Don't they